pretty cold out there today. So, it's the middle of December. It's actually like 40 degrees out, but it's still cold. And I just ordered, well, about a week ago I ordered a front bumper for my Tacoma and a winch and some other bumper supports. And I also ordered a snorkel. So, I'm gonna just kind of go through, look at the bumper and look at that kind of stuff and show you what I all got. And I'm not gonna put anything on the truck today, but I might, get the wiring all ready for the winch and stuff like that. See if I need any more wiring. And so let's take a look at what we got here. So I'm just gonna kind of go over the bumper to start with. It's a Southern Style Offroad. I think it's slimline or something. It just fits in like the center section of the bumper. You can get wings that come off the side, but then I got to cut more of my bumper off, and they're pretty expensive. So this was, I think it was $650 on Black Friday deal. I think it looks pretty cool as a 20-inch cutout for a light bar. Mounting for the winch up in here. I think this is 1/4 inch or something. Pretty solid. Nice solid mounts here. And then somewhere in here you can mount, I think it's up in here. It's for mounting a light bar. Gotta figure that out yet. All the welds look really good, I thought. Pretty impressed. I think the company's out of Arkansas or Louisiana somewhere. So yeah, I think it's a pretty good deal. So, got a couple other parts of that. I got the trim pieces. That'll go on the bumper because I got to cut a little bit of the bumper. So that's trim for that, the bolts for it. And then I'm thinking this is for the light bar, and then these are for the inner fender liner to support that. Another thing I got was this RCI mounting plate for the winch controller, because I got to mount the winch controller outside of the bumper because it doesn't fit inside of it. So I got that. Gonna take a look at that today actually. I got an X Bull bumper, 10,000 pound. Should be plenty. I heard they're really good from a friend of mine, so I'm cheap and I like good stuff too, so I'm like, well, $250, $275, something like that, pretty good deal. And then this box is some bumper frame bracing just to help support the bumper on the frame of the truck better. It'll work, but it's just more bracing. So I'm still waiting for my light bar. Light bar should have been here yesterday, but I don't know what's going on with that, so that'll be here. Got to get that before I can put the bumper on. And then I also ordered a snorkel and a top air filter pre-cleaner thing too, so that'll be here this week hopefully. So a couple projects coming up. So yeah, let's take a look at the winch and see what that's all about. Looks like it might have a lot of wiring, that'll be good. So here's the remote for the winch. Also has a wireless one. There's a wireless remote. Power cable. These cables go mount onto the winch, I think. And this is the part that has to get mounted onto that bracket I got over there. This thing. Looks pretty cool. Bag of bolts. Winch. pretty cool. Synthetic rope. No rust in there. Yeah, okay. So with this mount, it looks like all the bolt holes will line up. These top ones are kind of close, but I think it'll work. I just got to get probably some longer bolts and washers to make it fit on here. So that'll be looking pretty good, I think. I'm not going to do anything today. It's so cold out here. These bumper supports are really heavy duty too. This is awesome. A lot beefier than I thought they were. So that's cool. They came with these bolts here. Or what company was this? Northwoods something or other. Yeah. Looks like it'll be pretty cool once it gets warm out.